little homies. Yes, I do have another video coming to you. It's obviously this look. I guess this would be like if I like to wear a slightly smoky eye, so I was like, how to make a daytime smoky eye. So this is basically my version of it. If you want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe. Like, matter of fact, before you get to the end of the video, just go ahead and subscribe right now. I'll wait. You did it? Cool. Stay tuned for this video. Hey you guys, I'm starting out with a blank face, listening to music with my headphones on. I'm using my orange color corrector in the LA Girl Pro Conceal just to cover up my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Next, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. It's a hydrating foundation. I'm just using my glow booster in that, and also 2 squirts of my Fenty Beauty. I will leave those colors in the description box below, and I'm mixing. Had to take out my nose ring because I'm tired of cleaning it off after I put my foundation on. Next, I'm going in with my E.L.F foundation brush just to, I just want to switch it up. I got tired of using my sponges, so yeah, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation brush. Next, I'm using my Real Technique sponge and my E.L.F Set Mist Spray just to make my foundation look more skin-like. Next, I'm going in with my LA Pro Conceal just to highlight and do some reverse contouring. Luxury banana powder just to go ahead and bake my under eye and set the rest of my face. I also use some concealer just to prime my eyes. Then I set it with my banana powder once again. I'm using my NYX Avant Pop little makeup palette. I'm using the darkest color, which is the brown. I honestly realized it was too dark, so I used a slightly lighter color. I think it was the yellow color. Yes, it was the yellow color, just to diffuse that brown a little bit because I didn't want it to be too dark. Then I went in with the light pink mauve color just to use on my lid. And then I just darkened the outer corner and the inner corner of my eye because I was just going to do a slightly halo look, nothing too defined. Next, I did the purple because I wanted just a purple hint. After that, I used a super iridescent pink color on top of that just to add a pop. Next, I went ahead and finished the other eye, and now I'm just wiping all the powder off. Then I'm going in with my NYX On The Go palette. I'm going to contour with that in the contouring color that it came with. I'm just using my brush to blend that out just so it won't be too harsh. Next, I am using my Troublemaker mascara, super awesome, and my liquid liner is the Sephora liquid liner. Just to let you guys know, I'm gonna list everything in the description box below. Now you're just catching me line one eye because doing multiple eyes on camera is kind of nerve-wracking, and I kind of messed up on the other eye anyway. I'm going in with my Black Radiance Golden Almond. Sorry, I'm messing up over here. Then I'm just using my Real Techniques blush brush or whatever. I'm going in with my Tarte. It's that little Parte blush. Super, you know, nice. It's not too heavy, but it adds a nice touch of color on the face. Next, I am using my Eco Tools little brush. I am going back into that NYX On The Go palette, and I'm using actually the eyeshadow. It's a champagne-y color. I'm using that as a highlight because I like the subtlety of it, and it just, you know, goes really good with my little glow that I'm trying to achieve over here. Next, I'm lining my lips with my NYX Suede pencil in the color Vintage, I believe. But like I said, I'm going to list everything in the description box below because I can't remember everything right now. Next, I am going in with this cute mauve lingerie NYX color. I just bought that yesterday, so I thought it would be perfect for the look just because I didn't want the eyes too heavy and I didn't want the lips too heavy either. I'm going back in just to define the outline of my lips. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my face with my Mist and Set Spray by E.L.F. Then I'm going to add a little bit more glow because obviously it wasn't enough for me. So yeah, I'm going back in with that, and yeah. This is the finished look. Only thing I had did really off camera was obviously change my clothes. I also put a lip gloss over the lipstick just because I felt like it dried so fast, and I was just like, a cute gloss would go good over this. And I had just used my Pixi By Petra. It's just a lip plumper, even though I don't need my lips to be plump. I just like the effect it gave. other than that, this is the finished look. And if you guys like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, because y'all be playing. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, and most of all, make sure you subscribe. Like, if you watching this video, you should be subscribed. I don't even understand why y'all playing right now. But, okay. Thank you guys for watching.